Imagine stepping into your bathroom 5 years from now. It's not just a room, it's a personal wellness sanctuary. And at its heart, a bathtub that looks like it's from the future. Forget everything you know about corner tubs. The models coming in 2026 are a complete game changer. In this exclusive first look, we're revealing the top 5 corner tubs that will redefine luxury, comfort, and smart home integration. We're talking built-in chromotherapy, self-cleaning surfaces, and designs that will make your jaw drop. If you're planning a bathroom remodel, you cannot afford to miss this. Let's dive in. Number 1. Empava PRO Series 59. Deep tissue massage for sore muscles. Experience the ultimate relief from muscle tension and daily fatigue with our state-of-the-art Whirlpool bathtub. Equipped with 20 powerful adjustable jets, this bathtub provides a deep, targeted hydromassage that works wonders for soothing aching muscles. Not only does it help alleviate soreness, but it also improves circulation throughout the body, leaving you rejuvenated and ready to tackle the day ahead. Ultimate distress and relaxation. After a long and tiring day, there's no better way to unwind than immersing yourself in luxury. The warm whirlpool massage offered by this bathtub, combined with a calming bubble bath function, is meticulously designed to melt away stress. Indulging in this experience promotes a profound sense of tranquility, helping you to relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep, ensuring you wake up refreshed. This bathtub comes as a complete kit for your convenience, including everything needed for installation: a stylish faucet, efficient drain, handy hand shower, and comfortable headrest. Plus, it's backed by a reliable 3-year warranty, giving you additional peace of mind with your purchase, knowing that you're investing in quality and durability. Number 2. 73-foot Whirlpool Tub Water Massage. This luxurious bathtub is constructed from high-quality acrylic material, renowned for its durability and reliability. Acrylic is non-toxic and odorless, making it a safe choice for your bathing needs. The smooth surface of the bathtub not only enhances its aesthetic appeal with a bright white finish but also ensures it is easy to clean, maintaining its pristine appearance over time. This feature guarantees a comfortable and indulgent bathing experience, perfect for relaxation after a long day. Fire 2-person jetted bathtub, designed with spacious dimensions of 73.23 inches in length, 47.24 inches in width, and 24.21 inches in height, this jetted bathtub comfortably accommodates up to 2 bathers. The generous water capacity of 105.67 gallons allows for a deep soak, ensuring both individuals can enjoy a thoroughly relaxing and luxurious experience together. The design focuses on maximizing comfort and space, making it an ideal choice for couples or those who simply enjoy a lot of room when bathing. Number 3. Bathtub Acrylic LED Whirlpool. Exterior dimensions. The product measures 70.9 inches in length, 43.3 inches in width, and stands 24.8 inches tall, providing a spacious design suitable for various settings. Material and construction. It is constructed from high-quality acrylic, ensuring long-lasting durability and strength even under frequent use. This material is known for its resistance to chipping and cracking, making it an excellent choice for items needing longevity. Finish. The exterior is finished in a corrosion and tarnishing-resistant white, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also ensures that the surface remains pristine over time, reducing maintenance efforts. Comfort features. The sloped lumbar support design is crafted specifically to provide extra comfort during use, allowing for a more pleasurable experience. Additionally, the inclusion of 2 deep gray pillows adds extra support and comfort, perfect for relaxation. Number 4. Aqua Eden VTAP 6030L 22 TS 60-inch. Create lasting memories of bubble baths with your children or relax from the stresses of the day with a top-notch alcove tub by Kingston Brass. Extremely user-friendly with effortless installation and uncomplicated construction, the alcove tub is the perfect addition to your home if you are looking for pristine performance and polished refinement. The Oriole 60-inch corner anti-skid acrylic alcove tub with left-hand drain will wholly beautify your home for years to come thanks to its durable and easily reparable acrylic construction. This bathtub is finished inside and out in a brilliant, high-gloss white that ensures crisp aesthetics and easy care now and well in the future. Number 5. Empava Update Acrylic Whirlpool Bathtub. The Whirlpool bathtub is designed to provide an indulgent and relaxing bathing experience, featuring a total of 16 strategically placed water jets. This includes 6 jets specifically positioned in the lumbar region for targeted lower back support, alongside 3 jets in the body region located on each side to enhance the massage experience across the legs and hips. Additionally, there are 4 jets in the foot region, ensuring a comprehensive massage that works to relax your entire body and alleviate the fatigue accumulated throughout the day. To power the jet system, the bathtub is equipped with a robust 0.75 HP water pump. This pump is engineered to deliver ample power, ensuring that the jets effectively massage various parts of your body, promoting relaxation and comfort as you unwind. And that is the incredible future of corner tubs. It's not just about getting clean, it's about an experience. If any of these models caught your eye and you're ready to transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat, remember, all the direct purchase links, model names, and estimated pricing are waiting for you in the video description below. If this glimpse into the future of bathing got you excited, do me a huge favor, please hit that like button and share this video with someone who's dreaming of a new bathroom. And subscribe to the channel, we're your first look at the next big things in home design. Thanks for watching. Now, go dream about that perfect soak.